You may have learned yoku in Japanese as often or well. However, yoku is used in so many different ways than just often or well. Not knowing how it can be used in a different context can result in misunderstanding and confusion. This video explains various usage of yoku in Japanese. Perhaps when you first see yoku in a Japanese textbook is where you learn about frequency expressions. In this case, yoku means often. For example, Takeshi-san wa yoku joggingをします. Mr. Takeshi often jogs. 父はよくゴルフをします. My father often plays golf. You may also encounter yoku when you want to use it as an adverbial form of "い", meaning good. For example, よくできました. Well done. よく書けました. It was written nicely. Since it means well or good, this type of yoku is often used with a potential verb. How about something like よくうちに来てくれました? What does this mean? This yoku is expressing appreciation for someone who came to my home. Usually, this type of yoku is used to show appreciation of someone taking time to do something. Another similar example is よくいらっしゃいました. It means basically the same as the first sentence. いらっしゃる is a polite form of to come, used for someone to show respect. Another yoku means coping with difficult situations. For example, この給料でよくやっているね means that the speaker is surprised or impressed with the way the person is handling the situation with low salary. Another example is あのブラック企業でよく3年も持ったね ブラック企業 is the term used to describe a company which illegally forces their workers to work extreme hours of overtime without pay. Because of the hierarchical power structure in Japanese corporations, employees typically follow orders from their superiors without questions. There are reports of suicidal workers from fatigue, both mentally and physically, rooting from this type of practice. This sentence sympathizes someone who worked for such a company for 3 years. You would also use yoku as criticism, but of course, it has to be interpreted according to the context. For example, あの人よくそんなこと言ったね. How could they dare to say such a thing, don't you think? But this same sentence may also mean to compliment someone for doing something courageous. Another example is よくそんなことをしたね. How could you have dared to do such a thing? This also changes meaning depending on the context. You may also compliment someone for doing a wonderful but difficult thing, then say this exact same sentence to praise the courage. Yoku is also used similar to very or extremely in English. For example, 弟は父によく似ています. My younger brother looks very much like my father. このドレスはよく似合いますよ. This dress looks very good on you. ここからよく見えますよ. I can see very well from here. I hope this video helped you to understand a variety of everyday use of the expression yoku in Japanese. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. You can also participate in daily quizzes from the community section. If you have any requests for Japanese grammar to be covered, please leave your comments in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.